come off.
So basically guys, I've crashed the bike. There was so much footage from the day. I'm splitting this video into two parts. This is basically the ride and the last wash before I crashed the bike. All will be explained, what happened, how it happened and where, in the next video. I hope you enjoy. Keep safe.
So guys, welcome back to the channel. Obviously you've just heard me talking with him, and you can see him in front of me of course, but I am with Max RS today on his brand new Street Triple. I have not made a video in about, I don't know, it's probably been about 2 weeks now to be fair. But today it is Easter Sunday and it's the only dry day we've had on this long bank holiday weekend. Can't get the words out again today. We're off to St Ives to give the bike a jet wash. As you'll see in a minute, it's absolutely filthy. It is so filthy. I've just cleaned my chain because that was long overdue. My chain was absolutely stinking. Admittedly, I've not given it much care of attention, which isn't good. But yeah, with Max today, gonna go for a little pootle around, see what goes on. I think he said he wants to ride towards St Eval because there's some nice roads up there, so that should be pretty good. But first things first, let's get the bikes cleaned.
Thanks, us.
I am back, Maxipus.
I literally just finished all playing.
Did you?
Yeah.
I was just saying to Max a minute ago, I need to figure out how I can record my cardio audio so Max can be heard as well through the footage. There's an app, the Cardo app, where you can kind of record it separately and I'd export it to my phone essentially and overlay it onto this footage. Other than that, Max, you've got to like, there's loads of cables you can buy, but it's, yeah, but I don't know, it's a bit long-winded. I'm still toying with the idea of getting the halos for this, but they're so expensive. They are nice, aren't they? They're so nice. Yeah. Do they? On that R6, mate, it would look sick on the R6. Well, you don't have headlights on that though, do you? Just track only, yeah. For those who don't know, Max has got a track bike as well, an R6, which is sick. You got a V5 for it, haven't you? Yeah, nice man. When will you bring it out? You have to insure it, wouldn't you?
Yeah,
that'd be sick, bringing that out.
I'd like to bring it out to someone without anything, to be fair.
Yeah, do it, mate.
And then just fucking knock it off.
Yeah, just ride away. And the DRZ. Oh, they're painting that house. Is that all it needs? Just an MOT? Yeah, sick. You best get on it. It's just money though, isn't it? I've got my heated grips on and I do not want those on right now. It's pretty clean actually, Max. Have you cleaned it? Yeah, it looks fucking fresh. Yeah, it looks well nice. As always, I'll put Max's links down below as well. Make sure to drop him a sub and follow on other social medias. Gotta get you to 100 subs, bro. Are you? Yeah, you're going up. That's really good actually. That's really good. Just gotta keep spamming content, mate. Just keep posting it. It's just weather dependent though, isn't it? And hassle, because sometimes it is just effort, I'm not going to lie. Yeah, really nice. That guy was just staring you out then. Yeah, yeah. That's the same thing for me as well. I'm going to reiterate what you've just said because in my footage all I'm doing is just laughing at what you're saying. So Max is basically saying we need to work out how we can film each other so we're heard, otherwise it sounds like I'm just talking to myself or replying to no one. But obviously I can hear Max with the Cardo, but you cannot. So it's weird, this is the first time I've filmed a video where I'm talking to someone else, ever. I've never done that before. It's the first time I've ridden with Mikado in a video. Also, I've got to say it, shout out to Luke Alat. He's gone and bought me this. He's bought me a brand new Cardo Pack Talk Edge. Not for nothing, I will be editing some footage for him, which is still absolutely ridiculous. In no way at all was I willing to take anything off him, money or whatever. But he wants me to edit some footage for him related to his construction business, etc. So in return, he's just gone and bought me a Pack Talk Edge, for, like, out of the blue. And I was like, what the hell? So massive shout out to Luke, because you've seriously sorted me out, mate. Now it's just Yayan. Yayan's the only one left who doesn't have one in the group. Yeah, so we all rode to Dartmoor the other week, which in the end I never ended up filming. Everyone could hear each other apart from poor Yayan, and I felt a little bit guilty. But he's away in Thailand now, isn't he?
He's away for 3 months, I think.
3 months, shit. Yeah, shout out Yayan. Yeah, he's gone with Cam and their girlfriends and stuff, so that's pretty sick. He went down Ladyboy Street as well. He sent a video in the group chat, didn't he? Hello, I'm Ladyboy. Hello, you want happy ending massage? Oh, you sexy boy. Yeah. No. Yeah, like, oh dear. Actual name is Bruce. You are, sweetheart. You are. Like me, you got a big cock in you. Get out. Should we go down the front and do the twat lap at St Ives and then go to the jet wash? Yeah. That is true. If you go to St Ives on a bike, you got to go along the front. It's a rule. Focus ST in front. I miss mine. I actually did love that car. I had a lot of problems. Yeah, my Mark II Focus ST. There's a lot of character to them, and they're so hated in the car community. They're so hated. They've got such a bad rep, though. Not gonna lie, because of some of the idiots that own them. Have you seen that video of a black Focus ST where there's a woman smashing her high heel on the windscreen? She runs over her and the guy. Yeah. I used to get tagged in that, like, mate, is this your old ST? Because obviously mine was completely panther black as well. And I've got one of them, look. Oh, yeah, something like that.
If anyone from my channel is sub to Bailey, this is Bailey S1K.
Hello.
Everything will be linked below as usual.
Getting the shout outs.
In almost every video.
Yeah, boy.
Stupidly fast and loud.
It is stupidly fast and loud. You're not wrong at all. The thing is, I can't use the power anywhere, Max.
Nah.
It's all well and good having 230 crank horsepower, but I can't.
202 the wheel.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Nowhere. Oh, come on. Look at that old bus. Weapon, yeah.
Well, he's covering it in.
Yeah, sorry, mate.
I love it.
My clutch is in, it's not very loud yet.
Yeah, my car clutch is in, but it doesn't really matter.
Nah, she ain't the loudest, but what'd you expect?
Tomorrow, if anyone's driving up country tomorrow, fucking roads are going to be hectic, isn't it?
Yeah, they are. Well, what day is it tomorrow? It's Monday tomorrow, is it? Bank holiday Monday, yeah.
Monday,
so the roads are going to be chaos. Sound.
Them indicators, they think it's out from
Yeah, they don't know the roads, do they? My knee sliders are only grazed because I rub them on concrete. I can't actually get my knee down. You know, I'll just get a grinder out. Yeah, I'll just make it look like I could get my knee down. I'll just get it sanded down with a bit of 80 grit. What are you doing, man? What, that thing? Yeah, I didn't expect to. I didn't think you were going to rev. They're letting us go. He doesn't know what he's doing, mate. No. He literally stopped before the junction and just parked in the middle.
In the middle of the road.
This is St Ives, the place where no one uses pavements.
We spent a shot out them people stood by the car.
Yeah, I know. I didn't mean to make those people jump, to be fair. The thing is, videos never do justice on how loud this thing is either.
No.
It's ridiculous. My God, it's packed.
It is busy.
Emmets everywhere, boy. For those who don't know, Emmet is the Cornish term for someone who isn't from Cornwall, in Cornwall. It's not racist, before anyone says. Anyone who comes to Cornwall who isn't from Cornwall is an Emmet. Alright?
Yeah.
For those who don't know. Just wait for the comments saying, that's racist.
You're cancelled, baby.
Yeah, cancelled. Barks back at the dog. Rum, 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 rum.
Yeah, don't bark to me, I can also bark.
I got more bark than you, dog.
Full bark, no bite.
I've got 204 bark power to my back wheel. So many horses, I need a stable, mate.
Isn't it funny though that a horse isn't actually 1 horsepower?
Oh yeah, that's how it all started, wasn't it? Back in the day of horse and cart. This wagon's got 1 horsepower, then, you know, if you got 3, you got 3 horsepower, and that's apparently that's how they kept it. It was always relative to the equivalent of how many horses you got pulling you or something. See this clutch control here, look. No feet down, pal. $1 mile an hour, 2 mile an hour, still going, look. 0 mile an hour.
Not even summer and it's fucking chaos,
Yeah, it's so busy, isn't it? I was just moving at 0 mile an hour, max. Yeah. I feel like a London. I feel like Revit Rich. Oi, Revit Rich, if you're watching me, look, I'm filtering like I'm in London, bud. See that?
Stuck.
Hey?
I'm stuck.
Are you? Where are you?
I got past it.
We shall triumph, Max. That was probably the worst thing I've ever said. I might not even put that in the video. That was that embarrassing.
Yeah, that was actually.
That's the cringiest pun I've ever said in my life.
We shall triumph.
We shall triumph.
Maybe a little moped, I might get
Yeah.
like that,
I might get a box just the same. It looks sick, doesn't it?
but yeah.
Just thought. I don't know which way my camera's facing it. I might pull it up a bit. So much for the scenic route, mate. Well, I mean, it's scenic, don't get me wrong, but fucking hell. Go on, mate, it's your right of way. I think it was my dad or my sister, probably my sister, knowing her, bless her. She came up with the word lemmet, which is a lost emmet, and they're even worse than emmets. True, innit? When you find a lost emmet, mate, they cause havoc on the roads. They don't know where they're going. Oh man, why is everyone going so slow? Radio off. How the fuck why is my radio turned on? Hold the front button. Oh yeah, sound. On. What's this? I did! Oh. There you go. Yeah. I feel like we've been riding for ages, mate, to get to here. Yeah. What is that in front? Is it Ducati Monster? Fuck this. I think you're right with that does look like a Ducati Monster, you know. Yeah, it is, yeah, you're right. Oh, that ST's in here now. I take it you don't need to wash yours, do you?
Nah, not really.
Oh. Is he nearly done on the left, is he?
I don't know, but I'll sit here just in case.
Alright, sound.
So if anyone comes
Yeah,
in,
we'll take both up. Alright, I'll show you what I was on about with the filthy bike. I mean, I hope the camera picks it up, but it's...
Just get your phone out and film it.
Look at the state of it. Yeah. She's dirty, man. She's dirty. I've done my chain and sprocket. Looking clean-ish, although the wax is making it look a bit weird, but hey-ho. Yeah. I can't bring myself to use the, excuse me, the brushes that everyone uses on their car.
No way.
Local scratch and shine. When I wash my car and bike at home, I use the 2-bucket method, both with grit guards as well. Yeah. I'm well over the top, don't get me wrong. I'm well over the top.
I don't have grit guards.
Yeah, the grit guards aren't the most important thing, but the 2 buckets, in my opinion, are the one you want.
Yeah.
You rinse your dirty mitt in 1 bucket and reapply your soapy suds on the clean bucket, you know?
Yeah.
But that brush, think how many cars a day that gets touched on. It gets dropped on the floor with stones, and then people are putting it all over their lacquer. Fuck that.
Yeah.
Can you hear me, Max? Oh no, your helmet isn't on. I'm talking to myself here. Right, we've moved out of the way. Time to give this bad boy a clean. You filming some cinematics? What FPS you filming in?
30. Do you want it in 60?
What you want to do?
So you can do 60 and change it down to 30.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that alright?
Yeah.
If I drop my phone in there? My phone's no, my phone isn't waterproof because I smashed the back of it. Lance with soap.
Yo. Car when bread's involved, them guys you're tight with moving different. Mumsy didn't expect this life from me when I was an infant. She's saying I'm nonchalant, I'm glad you know how to listen. My neck went green back then, but now the VVs glisten. Apart from bro when I ain't have bread, me I didn't hear from no one. I span that block on my pedal bike, and I didn't see no one. I was linking fots and dogging them out and hanging up cars like hold on. Kinda weird, I missed that line. Boy, it feels so wrong. Apart from bro when I ain't have bread, me I didn't hear from no one.
So I am going to wrap the video up there, guys. As I said at the start of the video, I've got well over an hour's footage, probably 2 hours worth of footage. So it was easy to cram this into 2 separate videos. Obviously the next video is going to be explaining the crash. Again, I was with Max. This is all done in the same day. So what you've just seen is the last ride and wash before I actually dropped the bike. Sad news, it's all good. I'll explain all the details in the next video, the damages, what I'm going to have to do to fix it. And my injuries, if I have any at all. But yeah, ride safe, guys. I'll see you soon. Peace.